I think learning English is really important these days. I think we can also learn English. Now don't you feel we are again repeating this word I think? And every time whenever you have to say मुझे ऐसा लगता है या मैं ऐसा सोचता हूँ, तो हम सिर्फ यही word बोलते हैं, I think. Let's change the way to speak this word I think in this video. So let's see some alternatives of I think. The very first one is in my opinion. Now how can you use it? Let's see some examples. In my opinion, that's the best movie of the year. मुझे लगता है इस साल की best movie है. So I think की जगह I am here using in my opinion. Let's take one more example. In my opinion, we should take a different approach. मुझे लगता है हमें दूसरी approach try करनी चाहिए. So don't say I think, start using in my opinion. We can also say some other alternatives. Let's try another. That is I believe. मेरा मानना है या मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ. For example, I believe she will be the perfect fit for this job. मुझे लगता है वो इस job के लिए बिल्कुल perfect है. So you can say I believe she is the perfect fit for this job. One more example is I believe this solution will work for everyone. ये solution सबके लिए काम करेगा. So here also we can say I believe. Let's see some other options. I feel. I feel also means मुझे ऐसा लगता है. For example, I feel that he wasn't entirely honest with us. मुझे लगता है वो हमारे साथ अच्छे से नहीं था, वो बिल्कुल ईमानदार नहीं था हमारे साथ. So मुझे लगता है I feel. Or we can also say I feel it's going to rain soon. जल्दी ही बारिश होने वाली है, तो ऐसा लगता है, तो लगने के लिए हम saying I feel. We can also say it seems to me. जहाँ पर भी हम बात करते हैं लगने की, तो लगने के लिए there is another word that is seems. So here we can say it seems to me. Let's understand this by the help of examples. It seems to me that they are hiding something. ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे वो कुछ छुपा रहे हैं, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I am saying it seems to me. Or I can also say it seems to me that we are running out of time. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे पास थोड़ा सा कम टाइम है. We are running out of time. So it seems to me instead of I think. There are some other alternatives as well. Another one is I would argue. How to use it? Let's see it. I would argue that health should always be a top priority. मुझे लगता है health हमेशा priority रहनी चाहिए. So I think के लिए we can say I would argue. Let's take one more example. I would argue that technology has both pros and cons. So I would argue. Let's take one more alternative, that is from my perspective. In Hindi, perspective is दृष्टिकोण. जैसा आपको vision है, जैसा आपके विचार है, जैसा आप उस चीज़ को लेकर सोचते हो. So for there we can say from my perspective. For example, from my perspective, communication is the key in any relationship. Communication is the key in any relationship. So there we can say from my perspective. Or from my perspective, that method is outdated. मेरे हिसाब से वो method थोड़ा सा पुराना हो गया है. So where we are using from my perspective. And let's talk about the last alternative, that is all about I reckon. Now what is reckon? Reckon simply means your thoughts, your विचार. So जहाँ पर भी हम बात करते हैं विचारों की, तो वहाँ पर हम लगा सकते हैं I reckon. For example, I reckon we have got another hour before the storm hits. मुझे लगता है कि storm आए उससे पहले हमारे पास 1 घंटा भी है. Let's take another example. I reckon he is the right person for the task. मुझे लगता है इस task के लिए वो बिल्कुल सही person है. So these were the alternatives of I think. Now instead of I think, you can use all these better options. Now don't repeat and say the boring words and talk about the interesting patterns. So I hope you would find this video useful and you are definitely going to use all these alternatives instead of I think. For more such videos, stay tuned with us and don't forget to hit the bell icon.